Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Students, today we shall solve class 12th senior secondary English paper part 2 objective question set B. सबसे पहले reading skills A. Read the following passages A, B and C carefully and answer the questions that follow. Do any two passages. तो start करते हैं passage A से. Questions, choose the correct option first. What does our action depend on? Correct answer is option B, our thinking. Second, what results in good health, no tension, and an aura on face? Option B, positive thinking. Third, who finds faults with others? Correct answer is option C, negative thinker. Who finds fault with others? Option C, negative thinker. Now, question 4, what should we spread? Correct answer is option D, positive waves. Fifth one, when can we be creative with innovative ideas? Correct answer is option C, when we enhance our power of thinking. Now, B passage questions, choose the correct option. Sixth, what does a coconut tree supply us? A, food, drink, and shelter. B, drink, shelter, and raw material. C, shelter and raw material for industry. D, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Now, seventh one, what is the average weight of a coconut? Correct answer is option B, more than 1 kilo. Now, question 8, how many layers do the wall of fruit has? Option C, 3 is correct. Now, ninth one, how are the shells used when broken into half? Option D, as bowls. Now, tenth one, which one is the edible part of a coconut fruit? Option B, brilliant white rich part. Now, C passage questions, choose the correct option. 11th, what does the word nature mean here after reading the passage? Correct answer is option C, our natural environment. Question 12, what are the parts of nature around us? Option D, all of the above is correct. A, sun, moon, mountains. B, rivers, birds, animals. C, water resources and trees only. D, all of the above. Now, question 13, how can we help ourselves? Correct answer is with a little help of nature. Now, 14th, if we take care of trees, what will they not give us? Correct answer is option D, fire. Now, 15th, what should you do if you happen to pass by a sick plant? A, uproot the plant. B, water it with a bottle. C, water it with the help of a polythene. D, both B and C. तो correct answer है both B and C. Now grammar. B, do as directed. A, use suitable articles any two. Question 16, you are dash university graduate. Correct answer is option A, you are a university graduate. A आएगा. नाउ 17th, डैश गोल्ड इज ए प्रेसियस मेटल. कोई आर्टिकल नहीं आएगा तो क्रॉस हो जाएगा ऑप्शन डी आंसर. 18th, मैन इज मॉर्टल. कोई आर्टिकल नहीं आएगा तो क्रॉस हो जाएगा डी आंसर हो जाएगा इसका. डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. नाउ बी, यूज सुटेबल मॉडल्स एनी टू. 19th, इट इज़ संडे टुडे. आई डैश गो टू ऑफिस. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, माइट. नाउ 20, you dash carry any bag, it is available at store. Correct answer is option D, need not. 21, my grandfather dash to sing classic songs. Correct answer is option D, used. Now option C, use correct form of verb any two. Question 22, if you give me money I dash you a watch. Correct answer is option C, shall buy. Now 23, she dash for 2 hours bracket में play. करेक्ट आंसर इज हैज बीन प्लेइंग. ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट है. नाउ क्वेश्चन 24, माई फादर डैश ए मैच एट प्रेजेंट. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, इज वॉचिंग. नाउ डी, चेंज द वॉइस एनी टू. 25th, शी टीजेस मी. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, आई एम टीज्ड बाय हर. नाउ 26th, they were telling a lie. Option B, a lie was being told by them is correct. Now 27, Rachit is disturbing me. Correct answer is option B, I am being disturbed by Rachit. Now E, change the narration any two. 28th, he said to me, your card has expired. Correct answer is option A. He told me that my card has been expired. तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए. Now 29, my mother said to me, don't touch that wire. Correct answer is option C. My mother forbade me to touch the wire. 30, you said you are my friend. D आंसर है इसका. You said that I was your friend. Option D is correct. Now prose passages. C. Read the passage given below carefully and answer the questions that follow. The questions, choose the correct option. 31, name of the lesson is option B, the last lesson. Now question 32, who is the writer of these lines? Correct answer is option C, Alphonse Daudet. Now 33, in which subject did the children have a lesson? Correct answer is option D, history. Question 34, who is he in the passage? Correct answer is option C, Oldhauser. Now 35th, who is the narrator of these lines? Correct answer is option A, French. Now there is another passage in the form of the or. You have to attempt any one of these two passages. Questions, choose the correct option. 36, name of the lesson is option C, Deepwater. 37, name of the writer is option B, William Douglas. 38, what was there around the author when he was looking for something? Option A, water. Question 39, the author was helpless because his A, arms wouldn't move, B, legs wouldn't move. तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी, A and B both. Now 40, the color of the water in the pond was yellow. Option C is correct. Now poetry section D, read the stanza given below and answer the questions that follow. Questions, choose the correct option. 41, नेम द पोएट ऑफ दीज लाइन्स. तो इन लाइन्स के जो पोएट हैं वो हैं जॉन किट्स. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. 42, व्हाट इज ए जॉय फॉर एवर? ऑप्शन बी, ए थिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी. नाउ 43, व्हाट विल नेवर पास इन टू नथिंगनेस? ऑप्शन डी, ए थिंग ऑफ. नाउ क्वेश्चन 44, ब्यूटी हियर इंक्लूड्स. ऑप्शन ए पावर. ऑप्शन बी, स्वीट ड्रीम्स. ऑप्शन सी, हेल्थ. ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ देम. Now 45, what does the word bower in the above lines means? What does the word bower in the above lines mean? Correct answer is option C, a cluster of trees, यानी a group of trees. अब और में एक और स्टेंजा है आपका, तो इसके क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं. क्वेश्चंस, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. 46, what is the name of the poet? Correct answer is option C, Stephen Spender. Now question 47, what is the name of the poem? Option B, an elementary school classroom in a slum. Now 48, what does the map mean to the children? Correct answer is option C, a bad example. 49, what is considered as wicked by the children? A, Shakespeare. Now 50, where do these children live? Option C, in slum area. Now questions from Flamingo, MCQs. E, answer the following questions from the options given below. 51, where from did the rat trap seller steal the money from pouch? 52, where was Gandhiji's ashram situated? Option D, Sevagram. 53, who is the writer of the story Deepwater? B, William Douglas. 54, Mukesh's father was a poor bangle maker. Option C correct. 55, why were the people of the village sitting at the back benches of the class? Option B, to express a word of thanks. Now F, answer the following questions from the options given below. Vistage MCQs. 56, who is the writer of the story The Third Level? Option C, Jack Finney. 57, what did Dr. Sadao and his wife do with the enemy soldier? Option C, they took him to their home. 58, who told a new story to Joe every day? Option C, her father. 59, Derry was a young boy. Option B correct. Question 60, the invigilator during Ivan's exams is? ऑप्शन बी, फ्रेंड ऑफ इवांस. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने क्लास 12 इंग्लिश का सेट बी सॉल्व किया. यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.